In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change text color in Figma, one of the simplest but most essential skills for UI design, branding, and content creation. Whether you're designing a website, a mobile app, or a social media post, the color of your text plays a huge role in readability, hierarchy, and overall visual style. And Figma makes adjusting text colors incredibly fast once you know where to look. Let's get into it. Start by opening your Figma file and finding the text element you want to update. You can click directly on the text on the canvas or select it from the Layers panel on the left. When a text layer is selected, you'll see a blue highlight around it and the right-hand sidebar will change to show all the text styling controls. Now, go to the Fill section in the right-hand sidebar. Even though this section sounds like it applies only to shapes, Figma uses the Fill panel for text color as well. If your text already has a color applied, you'll see a small colored square next to the Fill label. This represents the current text color. Click on that colored square to open the color picker. This window gives you full control over the color, hue, saturation, brightness, opacity, and even hex values if you need to match your brand palette. If you want to pick a completely new color, drag around the color spectrum until you find something that works. Or if you want perfect consistency across your design, enter a hex code or choose a color from your document styles if you're using a design system. Figma also supports RGB and HSL inputs if you prefer those formats. Once you pick a color, your text updates immediately on the canvas. No need to confirm anything. This makes it easy to experiment until you find the perfect tone. If you want your text to be partially transparent, which can be helpful for subtitles, muted labels, or secondary text, adjust the opacity slider inside the color picker. Lowering opacity creates softer, subtler text that doesn't compete with primary elements. If you're updating multiple text layers, you don't need to recolor them one by one. Hold Shift and select all the text layers you want to update. Then apply a new color once, and Figma will apply it to all selected layers. Here's another important tip. If your text is part of a component, the color might be controlled by the main component. If changing the color doesn't work, check whether you're editing an instance. Instances sometimes have locked styling rules. In that case, right-click and choose Detach Instance or update the main component directly so all linked versions update together. And don't forget contrast. Before finalizing your color, zoom out and check readability. Many designers use the Figma Accessibility Checker plugin to make sure text contrast meets accessibility guidelines, especially when designing for the web or mobile apps. Once your color looks good, simply click away and continue designing. Figma saves every change automatically, and that's it. Select your text layer, open the Fill section, choose your new color, adjust opacity, apply it to multiple layers if needed, and you're done. Changing text color in Figma is simple, fast, and gives you complete control over the tone and aesthetics of your design.